retarded. So yesterday was Signe's birthday, and she said jokingly, "Oh, we could go to Sweden." No, JK, JK. So I drove like 6 hours, and now we're in Sweden. And we're going down there somewhere, and the noise that maybe you can hear is not the wind, it's a waterfall, and we're gonna go check it out. And Signe is up there by the car, doing her thing. Because we've been sleeping in our car, doing van life. That's pretty cool, and we're going home later today, so we're just gonna enjoy this adventure as much as we can. So this is basically where we've been sleeping. Like right now it's a bit messy, but we've been sleeping back here, and we're having like batteries and our little lamp and some cups, toothbrushes on this like hat holder thing. And everything that we didn't need to sleep on is in the front, like my lenses, snacks, papaya, and now we're just gonna throw all of these things back here to make the car ready to go, and then we're gonna go see waterfalls.
Waterfalls.
Waterfalls. This is what the car looks down when it's all packed down. Got some small things here and there, but I think it's alright. Shall we go see waterfall?
Yeah.
Let's venture forth.
I'm ready.
Ready. The thing that I have noticed in Sweden when we find these muddy water puddles. Look at this, look at this. When I step on the ground it should be muddy, right? It's just clear water. What is going on? It's pretty cool. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. This is the coolest thing ever, dude. Dude. Oh, dude. You know you're in Sweden when you find snooze. So when we arrived to this destination, we got a text on our phones, "Welcome to Norway," which is really weird because we're in Sweden. But now we understand why, and I'll show you. This is Norway! Right here, this is Norway! This is Sweden! That sign, that's like a barrier. Look. Sweden! Norway! Sweden! Norway! Ah! So Signe just said something funny. What did she say?
Our car is in Sweden, but we're in Norway.
So we basically left our car in another country. So it's in Sweden. And that's the only thing left to say. I'm in Norway right now. I never really used my drone, so I decided to do it after I saw somebody else do it. I kind of forgot that I have it with me, so I just like maybe try and use it. That's a staircase. Jesus Christ. It is. We're going down to the base of the waterfall.
Not too far.
It's not too far, but the stairs, the steep stairs.
But it's not the problem to go down, it's not the up again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just never go up. Just keep going down. Doesn't matter. Oh yeah, our car's in Sweden. We left our car in Sweden, that's right. And then we just walked to Norway. It's difficult. Work harder, not smarter. Wait, work smarter, not harder. Whoop, 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 whoop. We have seen like 600,000 professional cameras.
Yeah, big dick cameras.
Big dick cameras while we've been here. Signe was like, wow, your camera is so small dick. But I don't think it is, because we're not doing the same thing. God, Mom! Oh! I think this is my first time experience with other photographers. So since there was like 15 billion photographers just taking photos of the photograph. Photos of the waterfall. I was going down to get some slow-mo, and I was very close to the water, so it was splashing onto my lens. I was like, oh man, I forgot my fiber cloth. I think that's the name for it. Fiber cloth. Fiberklud. I was like, I mean, we're around a bunch of photographers, so I'm just gonna go ask one of them. I was like, hi.
He was like following this nice lady.
I was following a very nice lady, and I was like, do you have a fiber cloth? But, you know, in Danish. And she responded in Swedish. Nej, jeg har inte fiberklud, men jeg har dine her. Something like that. Because Swedish people can understand Danish, and Norway people can understand Danish. And not the other, excuse me, focus. But not the other way around. I mean, I can understand Norwegian, but not Swedish. Yeah. Anyway, she lended me her little lens cloth thing. Now I have nice lens. That was where I was going with this. Okay, new video. Okay, bye.